Hi, thank you so much for joining in the call. Can you please give us a brief introduction about yourself?
My name is Kwame Appiah, and I stay in A1 Connecticut, United States, and I work with Amazon as a fulfillment center associate. I worked with Walmart, and I was a store associate. But I realized that I needed an opportunity to better my life because salaries were on the low. I had come from Africa. I rented a house with my family and realized that I needed to upgrade. So I started searching and I came across K21 Academy online. So I spoke with them, and their CEO Atul had a lengthy discussion with me and made me understand that everything is possible. So he introduced the courses they were running to me, and I chose to go with the Solutions Architecture, which is the cloud computing. So I enrolled and then followed the classes. There were backup staff that were getting me involved. They came to support me 24/7, and I followed all the processes. So I have been able to achieve the certification AWS Solutions Architect, but from the lectures that I attended, I was very serious about it and made sure I'd gone back to it because K21 has made everything easy. They have put videos on all the lectures that we did that you can go back and refer to. So I did the due diligence and were able to understand the processes. By the grace of God, just last month, I was able to take the AWS Solutions Architect and I passed. So all thanks be to Kate. I know that this is not the end of the journey. I'm still looking for jobs, and A21 has all the team that are going to model my resume so I can get a good job. Now I know 90% of the job is done. The rest is just to position myself in the job market. Thank you, Team K21. And I recommend everybody or anybody who is watching me to sign up with K21. And that is the only school or the only academy that is going to prepare you to your next chapter of your life so that you can be relevant to yourself and to society and be competitive in the world of work.
So thank you so much for this kind words. Our team will be here to help you out with whatever job support you need. I just want to know, have you shared your CV with us on support@k21academy.com? So have you shared your CV with us at support@k21academy.com?
Yes, I have.
Can you tell me the ticket number maybe? I'll check with my team if...
No, I don't readily have it. Maybe I have to go check my email.
Okay. I'll check with your email address and I'll see what's the update on the CV, okay? And I'll ask my team to get it, to give you all of the review and everything so you can update it accordingly. Also, I'll be sharing a video with you that has been prepared by Atul himself. That will help you to make your CV better, and you can integrate ChatGPT and Bard to make your CV better with whatever job descriptions you're applying for. So are you currently actively applying for any jobs?
I have not applied yet. I want to tell you a gist about my background. I have the CCNA certification back from Ghana, so I'm a network engineer.
Okay.
But since I came in, I have not work with it, and the experience is there on my resume, so I want to see how we're going to marry that experience with the new cloud experience, because I know that cloud borders on networks, so anybody who has good networks background does not have a lot of problems moving into cloud. I want to know how we're going to make the two more relevant.
Add in whatever experience you have, okay, from the day one of you started working. And if you have good experience in networking, please do add that. We would really recommend you to please do add everything, every job experience you have, okay? So we can help you accordingly. and try searching for jobs now. Now that you have completed it, like the certification and everything, I would suggest you start searching for jobs, whatever no job sites. You are in the US, so I think Indeed, Monster, all of these job sites are very relevant in the US market. Start searching for the jobs, maybe for cloud engineers, because you have just started in the US market. So do not aim now for infrastructure engineer or just solution architect. We'll go there step by step, but start searching for jobs, okay? And see whatever job description they give you, send it to us along with the CV, so we can tailor your CV according to the job description. Because every job you need a tailored CV. For example, you have been applying for 10 jobs, you need 10 CVs for that. The main purpose of the CV will be the same, but just the keywords need to change because they have some softwares or something that identify the keywords. So we will be working on that. Other thing, at least 5 jobs a day, and understand why you're not getting an interview. Maybe it's something with the CV, and we'll help you with that. Let us know. First thing, send us a JD and in the CV, so we can schedule a mock interview for you and help you with the interview prep as well. So I'll just check with my team what's the status on your ticket, and I'll call you and update you for the same as well.
All right.
And thank you so much for this call. Thank you so much for this testimonial. And are you on LinkedIn as well? So also work on a LinkedIn profile as well, because that is very important. Post whatever achievements you have done, like now getting solution architect, working on AWS, all of that, or projects which you have done with us. You can post that projects as well. I'll ask my team; they'll send you the project links as well, so that you can, if you have not already worked on it, you can work on it and then post on LinkedIn. And send me your LinkedIn URL as well, so we can also review your LinkedIn as well. And we'll also tag you, your LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Yeah.